new one. We're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation. We have x times sine of y plus y times sine of x equals 1. So we're going to differentiate first both sides of the equation. So the setup should be like this. We're differentiating like this. So you have x sine of y plus y sine of x equals, and we're differentiating the left-hand side, right-hand side. So this part's just going to equal 0. We're going to have to work with this, and we're using the product rule. So here we go. We're going to write down x, all right, times the derivative of sine of y. Derivative of sine of y is cosine of y, and that's derivative of y with respect to x, plus, and then you're going to take the derivative of x, which is 1, times the sine of y. I don't need to put the 1, and that was the derivative of x that we did with respect to x. Now you do it again with this one. So plus y times the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x, and that's with the derivative of x with respect to x, plus, and then you copy down take your derivative of y, which is 1, so that's sine of x, but we took the derivative of y, so that's going to be derivative of y with respect to x. And again, this all equals 0. Now, before we continue on, I'm going to write my derivative of x with respect to x equals 1. So this is just going to be 1, and this is going to be 1. I'm also going to change my derivative of y with respect to x and call this y prime. So if I rewrite this, I get x times cosine of y prime, plus sine of y, plus y cosine of x, plus sine of x, y prime, equals 0. Now that I have that, I want to group my y primes together. Anything with y prime in it. So when I do that, I'm going to get x cosine of y times y prime plus sine of x times y prime equals, and then these two are going to go on the right hand side. So you can get negative sine of y minus y cosine of x. Now, the next step would be to factor out your y prime. So that's going to give you y prime times x cosine of y plus sine of x equals, if you want, just pull out that negative. You don't have to. I just think it looks better. And you have this. So our last step is to divide both sides by this term here. So you can isolate your y prime and solve for the derivative. So your derivative of y with respect to x equals what we were calling y prime equals negative sine of y plus y times cosine of x, all divided by x cosine of y plus sine of x. And that would be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.